everyone, my name is Kyra Santos and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll receive a notification anytime I post a new video. So now that you joined Paparazzi Accessories as an independent consultant, today's video is going to be all about what you can do before your starter kit comes in. Stay tuned. So first things first, you're going to want to download the Paparazzi Accessories app. Whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone, all you have to do is go to your app store and download that Paparazzi Accessories app. It's going to look just like this. Now the second thing, you're going to want to get on social media. So there are several social media platforms you want to sign up on if you're not on it already. Number 1, Facebook. 2, Instagram. 3, YouTube. Then there's also Twitter, Periscope, and also Snapchat. Those are the most common social media platforms that paparazzi consultants work their business on. Now on Facebook, you'll already have your personal profile. What you're going to want to do is create a business page and also a VIP group. Now do not state Paparazzi Accessories in any part of the name of your business page or your VIP group. So for example, my Facebook business page is called Shine with Aloha. You can name your VIP group anything that you want. For example, mine is called also Shine with Aloha. So VIP, Shine with Aloha, Crown Jewels, you can name it, Rock Stars, Diamonds. It's up to you as to what you want to name it. Now, since this is a business, you're going to want to create an email that is specific to your business. So for example, my email is shinewithaloha@gmail.com. Now, while you're waiting for your starter kit to come in, you can actually place an order for your business cards. A good website is www.paparazzitools.com, or you can actually order a digital copy through some online sites, for example, like Etsy. So what I did was I ordered this sign and I also ordered a whole bunch of other resources to include my business cards from Etsy, and I uploaded it to Vistaprint and everything was shipped over to my house. For your business card, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a cute header in the front. So as you can see, I have the paparazzi logo, which is the appropriate trademark, as you can see with the R right there in the corner. It has my name along with my actual business name, Shine with Aloha. And it also says everything is $5 and nickel and lead free. The company is very well known for that. Then on the other side, it has all my contact information. Great tip here is you always want to have a picture on something so they can actually put your name and your face together. A picture of you goes a long way, so make sure it's worthwhile. That free website that the company gives you on Paparazzi Accessories, it's going to allow you to actually upload a photo of you along with your biography and any contact information that you want to actually give out. And this is what my website looks like. So the day that you order your starter kit is the day you have full access to the actual paparazzi website. You're going to have access to the back office, which allows you to see all the jewelry that is sold, along with any resources and tools. You're going to want to familiarize yourself with the compensation plan. It's available to view online, but you'll also get it in your starter kit. It's going to look just like this. It's going to be able to go over how you can earn commission, what is PV, personal volume, what is organizational volume, how you can grow your team, how you move up in ranks, and so forth. Now, if you are serious about this business, as I stated earlier, you'll have full access to the back office the day you order your starter kit, meaning you can actually order more jewelry that same day. So I would advise you, if you ordered the $99 kit or you ordered the $499 kit, it's totally up to you if you want to order more jewelry. Now just know that you can actually choose the jewelry on the website versus the jewelry in your starter kit is all random and it has a variety of type of jewelry just because you don't know your clientele yet. Now while you're waiting for your starter kit, you can actually sign up for Fashion Fix. Now if you don't know what Fashion Fix is, it is awesome. Now, if you don't know what Fashion Fix is, I'm going to tell you why you want to sign up. So here's a brief summary of what Fashion Fix is all about. You will get 5 matching sets of 4 pieces each. Most of the times, it's going to be in earrings, It's going to be a necklace, which already comes with your free pair of earrings, a ring, and a bracelet. As you can see, here is a matching set. Also going to get 5 exclusive stylist pieces. Cost of this is going to be roughly around $80 a month. Now, what's the cool thing about it? Number one, it allows you to remain active for the month. Because remember, you have to order 25 pieces of jewelry to be considered active. And the key things about being active is that you can get your commission payment. You can also be searchable on their website based on your name or your zip code. It is auto shipped to you on the 20th of each month. If you're a Fashion Fix member, you have direct access to these pieces on the 5th of each month. And that's before any other independent consultant has access that are not Fashion Fix members. Around the mid part of the month, if there are any Fashion Fix pieces left on the website, it is open up to the rest of the consultants to purchase. So not only do you have a sneak peek of the Fashion Fixes because they're auto shipped to you, you can take pre-orders as well. Just be sure to not collect payment until you know you actually purchased those pieces. So your Fashion Fix box with all your beautiful bling will get auto shipped on the 20th of each month. And it's going to come in a beautiful box like this. Now you can take pre-orders from anybody that may want the Fashion Fix pieces because remember, you already got your set. So if you already sold your set, that's great. But you can also take pre-orders for anybody else that would like the jewelry because it'll be available to you on the 5th of each month. Now just a reminder, do not take payment if you have not had the jewelry purchased. Now at the mid part of the month, all the other consultants will have access to whatever is left over for the Fashion Fix jewelry. Now how do you sign up for this? All you have to do is contact the customer support. Please see the Paparazzi customer support number in my comments and ask them to be added to the Fashion Fix membership. You'll have to have your name, your consultant ID, and a credit card to be able to give that over the phone. Now the Fashion Fix will come with 5 matching pieces and they all have different names of it. Here's a quick sneak peek of 2 of them. So this is the Glimpses of Malibu. And as you can see there, you have your earrings, your bracelet, necklace, and your matching ring. It is a complete set. Another set available too is also known as the Fiercely Fifth Avenue. They actually have cards regarding all the pieces and what they look like and why they were named that. I think these are so awesome and nifty. And any of my customers that purchase the Fashion Fix from me, the first person that purchased it for that matching set will get these cards. Now that people know you started this new journey, you're going to want to build that excitement. Now, how can you do that? You can play some games with posting or doing some videos on your social media. Maybe play a game like, when is your starter kit going to come? Name the exact date, then reward the winner or announce the winner from that. Just engage on social media and build that excitement up. Now, what's important is that you share your story, whether it's face-to-face with a family or friend, whether it's on any of the social medias, going live or just posting. You want to be able to share with everybody your story as to why you joined the company. Maybe it's something that you want to pursue full-time. Maybe you're just earning extra money for the meantime. People will connect with you. People will relate to you. They may share the same story or be able to connect with you or having that same mindset like, I can do this, or this is for me. Now, depending on how you sell your jewelry, if it involves either going live or posting albums, it most likely will involve shipping. Now, if you're going live, these are some of the things you want to do to be able to have that readily available so when your jewelry comes in, you can work on your unboxing and starting to sell jewelry. Now, please check out my video that goes over what you need to go live. Here are a few things that you will need. You will need your phone and access to the internet. Now, that's the basic things that you'll actually need. You're gonna wanna invest in a ring light. Now, reversible number cards are also helpful, so they can actually allow your customers to comment that particular number. That's optional, but I found it very helpful. Now, your starter kit comes with a few displays to allow you to display your rings, your necklaces, and so forth. What I found very helpful was having a pegboard available, so I can either take jewelry off of it or put jewelry on it, whatever it was when I was displaying it. Now, when you go live, A consistent schedule is very important. Basically, that's something that you're going to tell your customers. These are my store hours. For example, I'm going live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7:30 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Now, you can have customers and clients from all over the United States, Guam, Puerto Rico, or in other countries as long as they are on military posts. So just know it's important to make sure that you give your time zone so they know when to tune in to your lives. And when I say a consistent schedule, show up on the days and the times you say you're going to show up. Customers are literally waiting for you to go live. So don't disappoint them by being late. Don't disappoint them by canceling. Do your best to show up because you said you were going to do that. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you're going to ship any of your jewelry to your customers, you're going to want to sign up with a free online site called Pirate Ship. Here's a brief summary. You are going to be able to save lots of money, especially in the long term, if you sign up with Pirate Ship. Basically, it's a free website and they give you a discounted rate for shipping. So right now, the United States Postal Service for a padded envelope, right around 9 by 12, it costs a little over $8. Now, if you go through Pirate Ship and you actually choose that same type of envelope, you're going to be paying around $7 something. So you can just imagine that's one package that saved you close to $1. And that will add up for all the packages that you send out, especially over time. And did I mention it's free? Now guess what you're going to need to ship things off? You're going to need supplies. Please check out my YouTube video on how to package your items up. It tells you all the supplies that you'll need to package your items up. But here's a brief summary. You'll basically need your bubble mailer envelopes, and I would recommend different sizes based on the amount of jewelry that you're mailing out to your customers. You're gonna need tissue paper and stickers. It just gives a really good cushion and a nice touch to the way you send your jewelry out. Now, if you're utilizing Pirate Ship, you're going to need a scale so you can weigh your items so you can be able to print your labels out. Now, you're gonna wanna buy shipping labels and eventually a printer. If you can't afford shipping labels or a printer, don't worry. You can always handwrite everything out on the bubble mailers, but I would say it's a great investment to buy a printer and shipping labels. So if you're ready to rock this business, you're gonna wanna get a separate bank account for your actual business. Treat it like a business. Try not to use your personal funds if you don't have to. Sell your jewelry, reinvest the money that you make, and just keep doing that. Build, sell, and reinvest. Build, sell, and reinvest. Just keep repeating that. So you got your separate bank account ready to go. You're gonna wanna set up some payment methods. So the most common methods of payment that a lot of business owners use gonna be being able to take a credit card, whether it's Visa, Discover's card, MasterCard, or even American Express. Now, you can utilize Square to do that. You can utilize PayPal to do that. Or I actually utilize the Buy It Live system. It's an auto commenting system where it allows me to use Stripe. And Stripe is another method of payment where they accept all those different credit cards. They also accept PayPal and PayPal Credit. Be sure to check out my YouTube video regarding Buy It Live, the auto commenting system. Now, through PayPal and Square, you can actually invoice your customers. Now, there are transaction fees involved, but this is a business. And you're gonna wanna invoice your customers if you're not using another system to take payments. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you plan and prepare before your starter kit comes in. I am so excited for you on your new journey as an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. I welcome you with open arms to the Paparazzi family. I encourage you to just rock this business, stay focused, and stay empowered. Now be blessed, and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.